In this quick video guide, we're gonna talk about a app called ilovePDF, which is right here, the smartphone version on the left. So you can see that you can download it and install it. I'm gonna show you how to do it, but you can also use it on your website, on your web browser, on a website, or you can download the software. So you find all the information just by searching for ilovePDF, and this is the first link where you're gonna find all the information and the tools and so on. Now we already created another video guide, but if you're interested, you can support us and we can create more. So this is the website right here, but if we look for the I Love PDF app, or we can just go down here, you can see we'll find the link. So this is what we're gonna talk about in this video. We're gonna talk about the app from Google Play. So these are some information that you can find on the website, but we're gonna go now in the smartphone. Now you can use these also in other devices. Now I'm using the smartphone, but you can use another device. So what I'm gonna do here is just to show you from the beginning, go to the Play Store in my Android and look for the I Love PDF here application. There you go. So we'll use the search bar, and this is these are ads, and this is the app right here. So the first time you will find the install button. So you just need to click on install when you're ready. These are other alternatives, by the way. So we can open it up right here. Now you can do a lot of operation using this app. And right now you are seeing the app in the dark mode. So I'm gonna go down here to the settings. So first thing you can do is kind of change the settings. So for example, I can say ask before using mobile data, and this is the dark mode. So I can switch from the bright mode to the dark mode. So this is the white or bright version. And down up here, you have the downloaded file that you have already stored in your smartphone or your device. And these are the one that you already opened. And you can see this is a JPEG and this is a PDF. And then you have processed, which are the one that you turned into a PDF. So down here, let's go all the way down. You have the home page, which is this one here. And then you have files. Again, you can get your files from your internal storage, from your smartphone, from the download folder. You have processed files that will be saved in the space of I Love PDF. And then you have cloud storage, which is a premium version. You need to have an account, and you can use Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. Now, if we go in tools, you can see how many things we can do with this application. You can merge PDFs, you can split PDF, you can compress, you can convert or turn a Word to PDF or a PDF into a Word, or you can do it with Excel or PowerPoint or with a simple JPEG, and you can edit that PDF. You can rotate it, you can protect it with a password, you can sign it, you can repair it. You can also extract text in TXT format, which will be then editable. So you can copy and paste it into another file. So you can really do a lot of things here. And one of the best thing you can do is use a scanner. So if you see down here, you also have scanner button. You can see I already scan here something. So doesn't need to be a document. So right now I'm just gonna do a quick scan of a, a graphic that I have right here. So what I'm gonna do is click on this button right here to run the scan, and you need to give the allow the app to open the camera the first time. So you can see right now I am focusing on a graphic here. So I'm just gonna click on this. There you go. And so now it's creating the scan. Try to stay still as much as you can. He's looking for the document. There you go. So you can do this with an actual document. This is just an image. Then here, if you click on this border, you can adjust the borders. So you can crop the image however you want. This is again just an example. And I'm going to do something like this. You can detect automatically the border. You can fill, you can make it a full image if you click down here. So full border, detect border. Now, when you're ready, you click on next. And this is going to be your document. Now, it's an image right now. Now, you can continue to add more scan or to do more scanning and add new pages. You can do filters. You can rotate this around. So let me just rotate it a little bit. You can apply here the distortion, so it kind of adjusts the image. Now, when you finished, you can also apply filters. So let's say that we want this black and white like this. Okay, and then let's save it. And then finish. Okay, so you can see now I've created 2 scans. So I can do some sort of operations right here. Now, if you click on the 3 dots, you can see you can convert this into a PDF. You can rename it, you can delete it. Let's convert it into a PDF. And then you can rotate the image, choose a different page orientation, which is now in portrait, which is fine. Use a different page size. So let's make it like a letter. There you go. And you can add the page margins, or we can just turn this off. Okay, so you can see if you have more images, you can merge them. You can change the image order. So let's just change it to image to PDF. And there you go. So you can see with the free version, you only have 4 tasks for the day. Otherwise, you need to go in the premium version. So right now I have this one here, which is a converted image, and this one also right here. So if I just select one and then hold and select 2, like 1 and 2, like this, okay, I can do operation with both. So if I click on the 3 dots, then you have all sorts of tools. Now you can also share, you can upload to your storage, you can move it, you can delete it, you can copy, and so on. You can compress it into a zip file. So let's go to tools. Now you can see that we can like merge. It's gonna suggest you the best option, which is merging. And we already converted this into a PDF, but we can go the other way. We can convert PDF to JPEG and so on. So you have all these options. Now let's merge these two together just to do something different. So I'm going to go merge and go to file. So you can see now I have 3 files and one is the merged PDF. So it's a PDF composed by 2 images. So that's another thing you can do. And again, we can go here and we can edit with the little pen. We can click here and we have other stuff we can do. We can print it, we can send it to a friend, we can share it, and so on. Again, let's go back here. What I want to do is, again, click on the 3 dots. Let's go back to tools and let's try to extract the text, which is just a word. Okay, I think I cannot do this already because I've already done all the operation that I could for today. But this is something that you can use quick way or a professional way depending on your needs. So if you need the premium version, just go ahead and use it. Otherwise, you need to just do a lot of operations day by day. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. And also, if you go in the home page, last thing, you can check here the welcome guide, which can be really handy for you at the beginning to see everything that you can do. It's just another PDF file that you can just scroll and find all the information in here. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel because we're gonna publish more guides about digital media in general, like graphic design, text, word processing, and so on. And if you wanna give us a little thank you, if you wanna support us, you can join the channel as a supporter. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video guide.